Here are my top 5 coins I've been buying, not in this dip, but this crash. Yes, I've been buying some coins, and as you guys know, I've been sharing for free. Every time I buy or sell, I share in the Telegram alerts, which is free. You guys can join the Telegram and then ask for the alerts. I mean, it should also be in the link, and you can join right there and see all the coins I've been buying. Now, my opinion on this crash, guys, is the dips, you want to buy chunks here and there, and then when we have a big crash where everyone is fearful, we have a fear and greed index of fear, right? And you know the sentiment is bearish. That's when you want to buy the big chunks, right? So the dips, the small dips going down, small chunks, you don't ever want to go all in, basically. In my opinion on this crash, I think it's a great opportunity to invest in coins that you might have missed out on the past months, right? Especially with crypto going up big in October, November, December. There are many coins that you probably missed out on that are coming back now to retest big targets. And again, I'm not just buying these coins out of nowhere. I'm going to show you guys here in the charts. These are coins that I look bullish on the charts that I'm buying. Of course, this is not some coins still in the bear market lows like Polkadot or something, but I just want to share this with you guys. So coin, and by the way, it's gonna get to lower cap as we go. So number 1, number 5 is gonna be the lowest cap coin. So again, do all your research, guys. Nothing here is financial advice. I'm just sharing you with you guys what I've been buying, what I've been accumulating. But coin number 1 is gonna be XLM, and you could add XRP to this. I've been buying XRP too, but mostly XLM. I already have a really good amount of XRP, and I want to increase my XLM holdings because I believe XLM is going to do very well alongside XRP, and it really hasn't made its big move yet. Its second big move, which XRP did its second big move, going way above $3, right? But I do expect XLM to, it's in a big point of control right here, so it can spend some time here. You got to understand this point of control, this range is where XRP came back down and collapsed, right? But I believe this time it's going to come back down and form a support to then make another leg up. And you can also see right here on the stochastic, I believe we're going to put in a higher low here, possibly on the stochastic, right? As you can see right here, and put in a higher low and then start moving up to overbought territory like we were right here. So I'm bullish on XLM. As we get more regulation and more clarity with crypto in America, I believe, especially if we have U.S. coins being tax-free, which I believe XLM is U.S. based, right? I believe so. So especially if we have that, it's going to be great. And again, XLM, it's a lower cap coin versus XRP. It's still high cap, but it's lower cap than XRP. And I have a smaller holding than XRP. So this is why I'm buying it. And I like how the charts are looking. It doesn't mean we can't come down more. We definitely can. And I would say, if we have another big crash, that 0.38 at 23 cents might be the bottom right there for XLM if you have a big wick down, which could, again, it could last minutes, hours, maybe a day. It doesn't last that long. So number 1, XLM. Moving to number 2, Dogecoin. Yes, I already have a good amount of Doge, but I'm adding more. I'm super bullish on Dogecoin. And on this crash, you can see that Dogecoin is still looking very healthy, very bullish, especially when you compare it to other coins out there. Dogecoin is still looking great. And you can see that we actually came down here to 20 cents, right? 20 to 22. I told you guys, if we lost that 0.38, which we did, we would have had a big capitulation to around 20 to 22 cents because that was the previous top right here. 22 cents was the previous top back in March. So that's how we came down, wicking down there, right? And what I believe can happen here, that can definitely be the bottom, but what can happen is we can slowly form a nice rounding out here before moving back, kind of like what we did right here. See how we wick down there and then we round back down there, and then we have kind of like a rounding bottom, right? We might have something like that, like a rounding bottom, but this one might be faster, right? It might not take multiple months. But either way, Dogecoin is looking great. On this crash, it's coming down to retest and flip the previous resistance from last year as support for 2025. So I'm super bullish on Dogecoin. I think it's a great time to buy. Not financial advice, of course. And it's number 2. Now moving to number 3 is going to be a new coin that I actually added to my portfolio. Actually, number 3 and number 4 are new coins that I added to my portfolio on this recent crash. And like I said, this is the time to add coins that you haven't been in before, that you're bullish on and are coming back down for a retest, right? None of these coins look horrible on the charts that I'm sharing with you. They all look bullish on the charts. And this is one of them, RSR, reserve rights. I believe they're called reserve rights. So I'm not going to go deep in what they are, right? But they're a ETH-based coin. So once ETH really starts to take off, you're going to see a lot of Ethereum-based coins like Aave and, RSR, Uniswap. All of them are going to start taking off. And this coin looks great on the charts, right? This coin, you can see it's been in a nice uptrend here since August of 2023. We can see the momentum is up. We pivoted here since then. And yeah, we're having a big crash here, but it's not like we're coming back down to those lows, right? Kind of like an M pattern right there. We're still in this really nice uptrend here. Even if you put an uptrend here, you can see, right, we are maintaining this uptrend, which is very bullish. And like I said, I'm not going to go deep into the detail of this project. You can go look it up, but it's very bullish. I do like it, especially for regulation and everything regarding the project for the US based coins, right? So RSR, this coin is looking great on the charts. It's ranked 100 and something, I believe, right? So it's not super low cap, but it's still pretty low cap compared to some other coins out of the top 100. And you can see that we've been in this nice uptrend here. Boom, boom. So I'm liking how it's looking. RSR, check it out. Reserve rights. Moving to number 4 is another new coin that I added to my portfolio recently, which is the Spell token. So Spell token, this coin deals with it's a governance coin, and it deals with DeFi, lending, and all that stuff, right? We just saw Coinbase adding lending to its platform. One big tip: you never want to do lending on a centralized platform. I don't care if it's Coinbase, whoever it is. You want to be careful in lending in general, right? We learned from that from the bear market, so just understand that. But Spell token, this coin took a massive dump here, right? Obviously from 2021, and now it looks like it started to recover, and this is really good signs, right? Moving up here, we came here, put in a higher low, right? So we're in this slow uptrend, but we are recovering. We had another pump here, and it's looking very much like a cup and handle possibly, right? Coming down here to put a higher low from this previous low, and then moving up and creating a higher high. So this is what I see for this coin, Spell token, in this uptrend. It's not a fast uptrend like Dogecoin or some other coins that we checked out, but it's still an uptrend, and we are definitely forming a type of cup and handle to put in a higher low right there to possibly put in a higher high later this year, right? I don't know when. It could be February, it could be May. It doesn't matter. It's going to be definitely sometime this year. I believe this coin is going to keep moving up. So Spell token, super bullish on this coin. Check it out. And the last one, I believe it's the lowest cap coin. I don't know if Spell is lower cap than this coin, but it's a lower cap coin. I've been holding this since the bear market, and it's LCX. LCX, that is the coin. And definitely go research LCX. It's like an exchange-based coin that's working with regulation, and they're connected to the WF. I forgot what they're called, but these big players, right? And I do like LCX as a risk-based coin, right? I like the risk on it because it's a lower cap coin that deals with regulation. It's an exchange, and it looks good on the charts. You can see since it's a low cap coin, it has these big price swings where boom, 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 right? The big pumps, big drops, big pumps, and it's very volatile, and that's what you usually see for a lower cap coin. But I like the way that it's been moving here, right? Flipping previous resistance tops as supports, and now we did put in a lower high here, but what can easily happen is put in a higher high and then break the previous highs, right? Something like this can very well happen, especially since it's still hanging around here near oversold territory, right? So it's still not, the momentum is still not moving up yet, but once we do start to move up, most likely will be once we put in that higher low, right? So I do, and again, I mean, this coin, I would have expected a bigger dump here for this coin, but no, it's been holding up well here compared to the rest of the market. It's not dumping all the way back down here to the lows from November, before it pumped. So I like the fact that it's holding this level of point of control right there. and it's looking bullish on the charts. And I think it's a great risk-based coin as a lower cap coin, LCX. So check it out, guys. These are my top 5 coins I've been buying. I'll give you guys some bonus coins that I added to my portfolio that are new. Now, again, these coins, like these top 5 coins, are coins that I bought, in terms of quantity, right? But these other coins that I'm gonna give you for bonus are coins that I added to my portfolio. Not as much as these coins, but I did add a position to my portfolio. And those coins are Beam, which is a gaming-based coin. It's called Beam. Definitely check it out. Super. All right. And IMX. These are all gaming coins, by the way. And, I didn't have a lot of exposure in my portfolio to crypto gaming. And, I think these coins did go up with the market, obviously in November or December. And now they're coming back down to big targets. And I thought it was a great time to enter, right, into crypto, because I do think crypto gaming is going to pick up this year and start to move up again. And I think these are great projects. Beam, Super, and IMX. Check them out. Do your research. I think it's smart to have exposure in each narrative and not just have all your eggs in one basket, right? So do your research, guys. These are my top 5 coins. Hope you guys liked it. Comment below your top 5 that you bought the most of on this crash and are buying. And yeah, follow for more. Peace out, guys.